Today, we're giving you 2 ways you can do belt squats at home. I'm TK, we're PRx Performance. Let's get into this one. For the version with the kettlebell, notice that I've got the chain going through the dip belt. I'm gonna string each end through the kettlebell and then hook on each side of the dip belt, and that's how I'll be able to suspend the kettlebell. Setup for the belt squat on the pulley system is a little bit different. I'm gonna run each end through the hook a couple of times and then hook them to the opposite side so that it doesn't pull too tight against me. There you have it. So if you've got a dip belt and the pulley system, you're all set. Or if you have less equipment and you've got a kettlebell, you can do belt squats at home. I think this one's gonna be a crowd favorite. Let us know what you think. We'll catch you in the next one. Later.